9 Best AI Tools Every Human Must Know. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we work and live, with countless tools and platforms available to help us work smarter and faster. However, with so many options to choose from, it can be overwhelming to find the right AI tool for your needs. That's why we've compiled a list of the best AI tools in each category based on their monthly visitors, which gives us a good idea of which ones are the most popular and widely used. But before we dive into our list, we want to emphasize that this video is for informational purposes only. We're not giving advice on which tool you should buy, and it's important to do your own research and consider your specific needs before making any purchases. It's also worth noting that the information presented in this video is based on data research, and not on my personal opinion. We've ranked each AI tool based on their monthly visitors, which reflects their popularity, but it doesn't necessarily reflect the effectiveness or quality of each tool. So, let's explore the exciting world of AI and discover some of the best tools out there. 1. AI Art Generator. In the category of AI art generators, Midjourney holds the top position with 21 million monthly visitors, slightly more than OpenAI's DALL-E 2. What makes Midjourney so good? Midjourney excels in its ability to simulate a wide variety of materials and accurately recognize their properties, forms, and colors. This allows artists to experiment and discover fascinating outcomes. Adding materials and colors to prompts can provide a new layer of depth and intrigue, enhancing their flavor and making them more captivating to the audience. 2. AI Copywriting. In this category, Copy AI leads with over 9 million visitors per month. Copy AI is an AI-powered content writing tool that utilizes natural language processing and deep learning to automate your content workflow. This AI tool is perfect for bloggers, content creators, or writers. 3. AI Avatar. In the AI Avatar Generator category, Synthesia leads with almost 5 million visits per month. Synthesia is an AI video creation platform used by thousands of companies to create videos in 120 languages. They have more than 100 AI avatars covering different ethnicities, ages, and styles. 4. Text-to-speech. Speechify is the leader in this category, with over 4 million visitors per month. This online platform can transform text in any format into natural-sounding speech. Whether it's a PDF, email, document, or article, Speechify can read it aloud for you. The tool also allows you to adjust the reading speed, and it offers a wide range of over 30 natural-sounding voices to choose from. 5. Marketing. Ad Creative is the leader in this category with around 1 million monthly visitors. Ad Creative is an AI platform that can generate hundreds of stunning, high-performing ad creatives in seconds. The platform's AI-generated creatives come with a score that indicates the probability of the creative performing well in your ad campaign. 6. AI Video Editor. In the video editor category, InVideo is the leader with over 3 million monthly visits. It's a DIY video creation platform that allows users to turn their ideas into videos in real time. With over 4,000 custom-built templates and more than 1 million royalty-free images and video clips, this AI tool provides a vast array of resources to help bring your vision to life. 7. Chatbot. ChatGPT is one of the most popular chatbot tools, with over 600 million monthly visits. It's highly regarded due to its extensive knowledge base and ability to understand natural language with ease. ChatGPT is especially proficient in areas where there's a large amount of training data available for it to learn from, allowing it to provide insightful and informative responses to a wide range of questions. Overall, ChatGPT is a valuable AI tool for anyone seeking accurate and relevant information. 8. AI Music. VoiceMod is on top of the category chart with almost 4 million visits per month. It's a free voice-changing software designed for gamers, content creators, and VTubers. The software is compatible with all your favorite games and integrates seamlessly with Elgato Stream Deck, Streamlabs OBS software, Twitch, TikTok Live Studio, Audacity, Gamecaster, or Omegle, making it a versatile tool for anyone looking to create unique and engaging content. 9. AI Image Editor. Cutout Pro is a leader in its category, with around 8 million visits per month. It's an all-in-one visual design platform that includes AI-powered photo editing tools. The software provides automatic processes for background removal, image restoration, graphic design, and content generation, making it an ideal choice for designers and content creators looking to streamline their workflow. With this AI tool, you can optimize your content and transform your design ideas into special assets with just a click of a button. We hope you found this information helpful in your search for the right AI tool for your needs. Remember, these tools are constantly evolving, so it's important to keep up with the latest developments in the field. If you have any questions or suggestions for other AI tools that we may have missed, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.